If you've ever wondered whether your laptop has enough power to run a game, software, or an update you're planning to install, checking your RAM is one of the quickest ways to find out. Today, I'll show you exactly how to check the RAM on your laptop in just a few clicks. Let's get started. From your desktop, head down to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Right-click on any empty space on the taskbar, and from the menu that appears, select Task Manager. If you don't see the full view right away, you might need to click More Details at the bottom. Once Task Manager is open, look over to the left-hand side and click on Performance. Here, you'll see different hardware categories like CPU, GPU, and disk. What we're interested in is memory, so go ahead and click on that. Now at the top right corner of this window, you'll see your total installed RAM displayed clearly. For example, you might see 8 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes, or even more depending on your laptop. This number tells you exactly how much memory your system has available, and that's really all it takes. A simple, fast way to check your RAM without installing anything or navigating complicated menus. If this helped you, feel free to give the video a like and consider subscribing for more quick, easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.